Welcome back to Paper, Color, and Toys, where creativity meets imagination. Today, we are taking you on an exciting journey into the world of cardboard. We are building a cardboard school, and trust me, it's going to be amazing. We start by cutting out the basic shape of the school. First, we make a front side by cutting windows and gate and make it perfect, because front side is the most important to looks great of it. So here we make it perfectly, and then put frame on of every window and then how it looks like. It's looking cool. And then stick all together, and our front side is ready. Then we stick side wall and back wall like that. Once we have our basic structure, it's time to decorate. Here comes the fun part, adding barrier to make school ground. You can even get creative and use colored paper or paint. Maybe even make a colorful sign with your school's name. The possibilities are endless. Here it's the main gate. After that we make a bus parking slot. Now, let's add some fun details to make the school feel even more real. We were adding a playground. Don't forget to add clock tower. These little touches will really make your cardboard school come to life. Look at our finished cardboard school. Isn't it incredible? It's sturdy and it's truly nice, and ready to be the setting for countless adventures. Whether you're creating your own mini school for toys or just enjoying the process, this cardboard school is a perfect project for anyone who loves crafting. I hope you had fun watching and maybe even got inspired to create your very own cardboard school. Remember, with paper, color, and toys, the only limit is your imagination. If you like this project, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative crafts, fun tutorials, and toy ideas. Until next time, keep crafting and keep creating.